Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf. Home decorating can be a fun project, but hanging pictures may leave marks on your wall, or you may find out that it's crooked once you hang it. So let me give you a couple of tips on how to hang a picture better. Let's start first with hanging a light picture. If it's under 3 to 5 pounds, your best bet is to use a straight pin. A straight pin will leave very little marks in the wall when you go to leave, and you won't have to worry about touching up the paint either. Now, if you have a picture that's heavier than 3 to 5 pounds, you're going to want to use a nail and hook. The best advice is to measure the distance on the wall to make sure it's centered. Then find the midline and make a mark with a pencil. Next, go ahead and nail in that nail or straight pin and hang your picture. Step back for the final touches to make sure it's straight. There you go, it's picture perfect. I'm Andrea Metcalf, hoping you can do it yourself and enhance your home living.